right, today I wanted to share with you some simple DIYs that you can do for Christmas using items around the house, some items from the Dollar Tree, and some items that I did get from Micheals. All right, for this one, I'm just taking really used cardboard that I did have. You can do this out of a bunch of different things, but this is one of the ways to do it. There's like plenty ways that I probably will be showing throughout the season to do this, but I'm just taking these boxes and I'm wrapping them just like you would wrap a gift. And you'll see these type pieces in stores like Micheals, Hobby Lobby, Home Goods, different places like that. And they charge quite a bit for a faux box. So why not make your own for just $1 or so, or a few dollars. So right, I'm using the same wrapping paper that I do use to wrap my own gifts. So this will go along with my whole holiday decor. And I'm just, like I said, wrapping them just like you would wrap a regular gift. And you can make different boxes, different sizes. You can make this real big, real small. I just made mine just an average size. And it's just a real simple, easy Christmas decor to do. And like I said, it's great because you can customize it to fit along with your home decor. I'm taking this ribbon. My ribbon is kind of wide, so I'm not going to do it the way that you would do a ribbon on a box. And plus, I don't know how to tie a bow. So when you do it like that, the bow has to be up top. I'm learning, but I'm not there yet. So I'm just going to use some twine from the Dollar Tree and just wrapping it around. You want to make sure you don't touch the hot glue. If you do use hot glue, I'm wrapping it around twice. You can do it more, you can do it less. And then I'm just going to do it on both sides. So when I'm done wrapping it around twice right there, I'm just going to hit it with some more hot glue, snip that off, and then go the other way. And it just gives it kind of a cute rustic look. And you can use this too to wrap regular gifts. You can use the same method to wrap regular gifts for your holiday season, but I'm using it to make my little faux Christmas decor boxes. And then I'm taking the ribbon and then I'm going to just do two pieces. So one piece to come out one side, one piece to come out the other side. You're going to want to make sure that when you are starting to do this part, that the good side that you want is facing front. So however you do the ribbon, you want to make sure that it just looks good for what you want to be facing front of your faux little Christmas boxes. Then I glued those down, and then I'm taking these faux greenery that I got from Micheals, and they do have a sale, of course, and I'm just taking off the pieces. That's what I love about the faux greenery. It's just so easy to pop the little pieces off, and then I'm just taking and putting a topper on it to cover up, where the bow met and stuff, like where the ribbon met. And this is how they turned out. They are super, super cute. All right, this is another simple one. This mat came from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to put the clip in of the other placemats that they did have. Dollar Tree comes out with different placemats, different times of year and stuff like that. And they're great to make little throw pillows out of. I'm using this like velour fabric because I think it goes pretty with it and it gives you that whole Christmas look too. So that's just a scrap piece of fabric that I did have, and then I'm just going to match it up. This was a rough cut because I hid my fabric scissors because people kept using them, and I hid them from myself. So the scissors weren't that great, but that's all right. And then you can use fabric glue. You can sew this closed. You can do this so many different ways. I'm just using hot glue right now because this pillow won't be in a high traffic area. So I don't have to really worry about it coming apart or anything like that. And you're going to want to leave an opening so that you can turn it out. So wherever you choose to leave your opening, make sure it's like in the middle. So if it's on the middle on the sides, it's on the middle on the top, just make sure it's in the middle. Once everything dries, and I forgot to say, you're facing it right side to right side. Just like you would, and then once everything dries, you'll turn it out the right way, and then you can stuff your pillow. I'm using the filler for the pillow, but you can also do this with another pillow and then just leave the whole thing open, slide the pillow in, and then close it up just like I'm doing right there. So once that was all dry, then you just want to make sure your pillow is fluffed out the way you want. And then this is how it came out: a super quick, super simple throw pillow using a Dollar Tree placemat. Now for this one. You're not going to need to do this part if you're using the garland like I have, but I just wanted to show you that you can make these little circles to make your own little wreath, you know, the shape that you want it. I was using these plates, but they're not that sturdy for this wreath. But if you're using like a Dollar Tree garland, it's going to be thinner, so it'll be easier to wrap around. But I just took mine, cut mine in half, and then I put the plates to the side. Again, you can use cardboard, different things like that. But you see, mine holds a good shape without it. So I'm just making it into a circle by wrapping one of those two pieces that I did cut from the garland. You can even cut this into more pieces because it doesn't have to be that thick. But this is what I did. And then once I did that, I shaped it the way I wanted to shape it. And then took some little faux greenery. Again, pieces from the Dollar Tree, pieces from Micheals. These, you know, different pieces you can use to fill it in. You don't even have to really do that part. But it just gives it like, you know, an extra look when you just add in more little greenery, more little details. And it makes it cute. So you can hot glue these pieces in so that they stay. But, you know, you just play around with the placement, see where you want everything. You can cut these berries into little pieces like I did so that, you know, it's not big pieces in there, just, you know, cute little pieces. And again, once you have the placement, you can hot glue it. Now you can take these singular and just drape these on the back of chairs with the ribbon, and it'll look real pretty, you know, for the Christmas season. But I'm making like a wreath piece, and then I'm connecting them with the ribbon. I don't know how to make a bow. I say that again. So I did something just simple with the top. And then you can hang these with a wreath hook, which you can also get from the Dollar Tree. It does look better hanging on a door. This is my little display area, so it doesn't have that full drape to it, but this is how it came out, and I hope you enjoyed.